Improve the world with technology and lead the industry with quality. Shenzhen Transcold Technology Company Limited is a joint stock limited company specializing in providing cold chain equipment. Our headquarters located in Shenzhen City, Guangdong Province, and our invested factory located in Henan Province. The company owns the Trilin brand series of refrigerated truck refrigeration units, refrigerated carriages, and vehicle air conditioners and refrigerators. The company has Trilin brand series of refrigerated truck refrigeration units. We provide product installation and usage instructions and remote technical guidance to ensure the use of products. All products support OEM and ODM. We keep customers at the center of every product and service we offer, and we act quickly to exceed their expectations. Trilin's professional quality is trustworthy. The company fully implements CE and ISO system certification. The factory is equipped with advanced production equipment, and the products pass multiple tests before leaving the factory to ensure stable quality. The company is committed to providing 7 times 24 hours online after-sales technical services for its products. With the corporate belief that there is no best but better, with the corporate spirit of self-improvement and pursuit of excellence, and the corporate value of customer first and quality first, Trilin creates a first-class brand and becomes a leading brand that promotes the progress of the industry. We warmly invite and welcome to visit our factory.